Hi, I wanted to make this video about the tiny terrarium cactus. My niece gave this to me as an early Christmas present, actually to myself and to my husband, but since I'm more of the plant person, I ended up with my husband's box. We ended up with two. This is the Fishhook barrel cactus. This one's the Pincushion cactus. Allegedly, you can grow them inside, so let me open this up really quick. As you can see, it is pretty small. They provide you the terrarium, which is that guy there, and then a little pellet. I guess it's a peat pellet. And I guess you would put him inside, you'd wet it, and then put the seeds in there and watch it grow. I decided not to do that. Instead, I decided to use a deli container, the small thin one, and grow it this way. Had I had to do this all over again, I would not do it like this. I would actually put it in a smaller pot, but then also use the Glad bag as my little greenhouse to get it to grow. In case you're not a normal viewer of my channel, the ticking that you hear is from our Haunted Mansion clock, and I'm getting over a cold, so I'm cold flu thing. So if I cough more in this video, I do apologize. I'm going to try and speak really fast so I don't have to cough. Let's see. The Fishhook barrel cactus, I ended up with 5 seeds, and the Pincushion, I ended up with 7 seeds. I planted both on December 16, 2019. So let me open this up so you can see. Let me see. On Christmas, 2 of the Pincushion seedlings popped up, and then on the 30th, 2 of the Fishhook popped up. So let's see which one's which. Okay, so let's do it this way, since the line of pebbles here is the divider for both plants. Let's see. Okay, so this one is the Fishhook seedlings. So can you see them? I'm using my phone, so I don't know how well it shows it. For a while there were 4 seedlings. Now you can see 5, because there's the little guy right there popping up. So that is my Fishhook barrel cactus. And then this side, you could see 4 little ones, the 4 little green dots. That's my Pincushion cactus. And actually, it's January 16 as I'm filming this. So they are exactly a month old, or I've been growing them for a month. And again, if I had it to do it all over again, can you see the size of the container that I'm using? I was watching, and this is what you should do, don't do like I did. I was watching Desert Plants of Avalon, another YouTuber, and she put them in a small pot and started them that way. She didn't do it like me. I thought that treating it like a normal garden seed, that once they sprouted, I could transplant it into another pot and then kind of watch it grow and then kind of increase pot size as the plant grew. Apparently they are very slow growers, and you don't really want to repot until they're much bigger, because apparently the mortality rate is higher when they're this size than when they're a normal cactus size, I guess. So this should be interesting, because I do want to repot them into something smaller instead of something this big, but I think I'm going to end up having to leave them in this little container. I don't know. I'm really debating it, because the 5, which guys are these? This is my Fishhook. These guys. They've been growing at a nice little clip. I mean, if you can see them, they're going to outgrow this container, you know, pretty soon. Probably in a few weeks. If you can see it, I don't know, I can't tell. So, Yeah, I might end up messaging Desert Plants of Avalon and asking her what she think I should do. But I do recommend, if you decide to start growing cactus from seed, to check out her channel. She has excellent videos about her cactus plants, her succulents, as well as how to seed start. And that's what I should have done before I did this. So anyways, today is January 16, 2020. And maybe in a month's time, I will do a progress report on these seedlings. And I guess we'll both know in a month's time what I decided to do. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!